Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here. I'm back to doing an enveloping. What is in this box from CSR Collectibles? Now chit chat, let's open it up. Like right now, let's go! Alrighty, so what was in that envelope? A Nightmare on Elm Street 3, 11 by 17. A Nightmare on Elm Street 3 Dream Warriors, 11 by 17 posters signed by George Lynch. Oh my god, does anyone know who George Lynch is? He is the guitarist of the band Dokken. Dokken. How you say the name, the artist. They're the guys that did the song Dream Warriors. And of course you have Robert Englund as Fred Krueger and Patricia Arquette in the movie. And scenes from the film, by the way, if I'm not mistaken. And it was a big hit in 1987. And I gotta say, all in all, this is a wall-to-wall badass film. It's better than the first two. People are saying number 3 is the badass, number 4 is. I don't care. I like all of the installments. I don't like the 2010 version. It left a bad taste in my mouth. I didn't go to theaters to see it, thank God. I just heard bad things about it. So yeah, folks, George Lynch's signature. The guitarist of Dokken. I can't believe it. And of course, the pre-order ended one day after Easter Sunday, which would be on April 21st on a Monday. So yeah, you saw the pre-order, not the video, but a pre-order at the YouTube post. Yeah. So I either often do pre-order videos. I haven't done that in a while. I've just been caught with life and work and what life, and such. So maybe I'll get back to that pretty soon. So yeah, folks, it's on the YouTube post. If there's pre-orders or anything there, check those out. What time I post videos, check that out as well. So yeah, let's give a shout out to the thing. And also, if anybody hasn't seen Nightmare on Elm Street 3, please watch the movie. If anybody doesn't know who George Lynch is, or Dokken, Dokken, if I said the name right, that. If anyone doesn't know who that band is, check that out. Look at Dream Warriors and their previous soundtracks they have done in the 80s. So yeah, it was great to have a George Lynch signature. Can't wait to get some other people from the franchise, from Nightmare 3, to sign this. So yeah. Also, let's give a shout, and also before setting off, I'm often on YouTube posts, like you heard me just said a moment ago, what time I post videos or links for anything, Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or anything, including other things for charities, whichever. Also, let's give a shout out, and also what time does a new video post, and you'll see the time, which day or date, or both. So keep an eye on that daily, maybe weekly. Depends if nothing catches up with me. Whew. Very crazy in the house. So yeah, before sending off, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, convention goers, travelers, bloggers, vloggers, and heck, shouts to all collectors out there. Let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you dudes and dudettes and cats and dogs. Plus, let's give a shout out to CSR Collectibles and shout outs to George Lynch of Dokken. Shouts to you, dude, and shouts to you, dudes, as well. So yeah. Well, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Friday, enjoy the weekend, and enjoy Mother's Day weekend. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Later, y'all.